Hey guys, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. My hair has been washed, conditioned, deep conditioned. I did my aloe vera pre-poo before I washed it, so I'm definitely going to have to get my wash day routine up for you guys. As you see, my hair is looking a lot more healthy, so I think we're back on the right track. So I just put my hair up right now, and I'm just going to make a part straight across in the back. I want my Bantu knots to be medium size, not too big and not too small, because my hair is at that awkward stage now since so much of it came out during my pregnancy. So I'm just trying to grow it back. So I will section that part that I made into 3 sections, and I'm going to go in with Miss Jessie's curly pudding first. And I don't use a lot, but once I apply it, I start at the end and work it up. I am going to take the Deman brush, and as you see, I just brush the product through. And then I'm going to go in with my Beautiful Textures Curl Definer. And this will just give it a nice hold, but not a crunchy hold. So I go in with that, and then I will brush that as well. You want to make sure all of the product is throughout your hair evenly. So that's what I did. I'm going to twist my hair up, and then I'm going to wrap it into a Bantu knot. I cannot, for some reason, get it right by doing it the other way without twisting it, then wrapping it. I cannot just straight wrap it. It doesn't work for me. And I'm showing you guys in the back kind of how I do it. And I'm just going to repeat the process. So the curly pudding from Miss Jessie's, brush that through. And then I'm going to go in with the curl definer from Naturally Beautiful. And then brush that through. I will twist my hair. And then I'm going to wrap it. What you do not want to do is when you twist your hair, do not borrow from the other section while twisting. Kind of like braids. You know, when you're braiding, you can kind of borrow from each section. In twisting, you do not want to do that. Your twist will not come out right. So as you see, I fast forwarded. I have completed most of my head. I'm here at the top, and I decided I was just going to make a middle part. My hair is just not right. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's not right. Here in the front, as you see, it's a little bit shorter. As I told you guys in previous videos, you know, a lot of my hair came out and things like that. So it's not that great, but it is healthy. It's just not even, if that makes sense. So that's in the very front of my hair. But here I just basically just do the same thing all over my head. Now you can use whatever products works for your hair. You do not have to use these particular products, but these are the ones that was in my closet and that I like, so I use it. And sometimes if you twist your hair and the twist come down, you may have to twist it the other way. So it all just kind of depends.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. My heart up when the rest of me is down.
Okay, so now that I have twisted up all of my hair, I am going to go ahead and do my edges, which I use the Eco Styler gel, which is the brown kind. And everything that I did use for this video will be listed down below. And like I said, if a twist comes down, then you may have to just try to twist it the other way to see if it will stay up. And then I just go ahead and put my bonnet on. And usually I put a scarf on, but I couldn't find it, so not tonight. So then I go to bed. So now the next day, woo, look at that. Yeah, I was sleeping good. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them down. And my hair is very curly. Like, this stuff really did do wonderful on my hair. And my hair is still soft. And now it's the takedown. So basically you want to just go ahead and untwist it. And then you want to just separate it. So I untwisted and I separated each section into like 3 or 4 sections. Because I didn't want my curls to be too frizzy. So, and you can apply oil to your hands before you do this, and that will help your hair to be less frizzy as well. So as you can see, and I already know my hair, since it's so curly, it's gonna look weird because my hair is uneven and things like that. So that's why I put it up into a puff, because that is my thing. I always do a puff because I feel like my hair just grows the best in a puff. So you want to definitely check your hair. I just take the comb and then I'm just kind of like fluffing out the roots. And you can kind of style your hair how you want, but I'm going to do a puff because that's what I love. And I just take my string and use a bobby pin and pin it in place. But I will put my video down below on how I do my high puff, but it's very, very simple. And then I'm just going to redo my edges since I didn't find my scarf last night. So I'm going to redo that. But that's pretty much it, guys. Like, it's so simple. My hair is super curly and I love it. So definitely comment down below what products you like to use. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like this video. And like always, I will see you guys in my next video.